Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing well. Today's video is to show how I display and store cards. The first way I store cards is in a 3-ring binder. Normal sized cards and most of the bigger cards fit in 6x8 sheet protectors. I decided to put all of my cards from the first year of my life from my grandma in individual sheets. And here's a fun fact. For the first year of my life, my grandma spelt my name wrong on every single card she gave me, but she has 15 grandkids, so it's okay. The 6x4 sheet protectors are perfect for smaller cards and they fit postcards perfectly, or you can use them for gift cards that people have written on that you don't want to throw away, but they're too small to fit in the bigger sheet protector. The 3x4 sheet protectors are perfect for those tiny little envelopes they give you with flowers, or for the tiny cards attached to those gift bags. I could take these out of the envelopes, but I think they're just so cute, so I leave them in. The 6x8 sheets are perfect for individual cards or for a group of cards from the same occasion. In one sheet protector, I put my religious cards from my baptism, communion, and confirmation. And in this sheet protector, I put all of my high school graduation cards. The second way I store cards is the easiest way. I just use these clear containers I got from the Dollar Tree and use some labels to label who it belongs to and the dates of the cards. You can also buy clear containers with dividers inside if you want to do that to make it a lot easier to organize them. The first way I display cards is with these clothespins. I painted the clothespins to match their holiday colors, and I used glitter for the birthday pins. I cut twine about 1.5 feet long and painted it black. I knotted both ends of the twine to make loops to hang onto the hooks. I use these removable hooks to hang up the twine. Here's the Christmas cards display, which you can leave as is, or you can add some more things to it for a more festive look. I added some candy canes and some white lights. I really love how beautiful this looks, and it's so simple and easy to make, yet it has such an impact on every year when you get Christmas cards to display them. Here's the Halloween cards display, which, like the Christmas display, you can add more to it to make it more festive or leave as is. I added some orange lights and some bats. Halloween is my absolute favorite holiday. It's the best holiday in my opinion. So I have a lot of cards and it was really hard narrowing it down to only 6 cards, but these were the best ones I thought. And lastly, here's the birthday cards display, which would be perfect for a backdrop for photos of the birthday boy or girl with the cards they got that year. And to make it a little more festive, I added white lights, which reflect off the glitter pins perfectly. And just because I wanted to lay out all the cards and their pins. I'm putting together some candles and flowers that I got all from the Dollar Tree to make a more romantic setting because the next DIY is some framed Valentine's cards. Using wire cutters, I just cut off all of the flowers, pulling off all of their leaves and the tag and putting them in a small vase. I'm sorry I had lost the footage of me putting the cards in the frames. The frames are 5x7, which fit smaller cards and standard size cards perfectly. And if you want bigger cards, you can always use bigger frames or smaller cards and smaller frames. And if you didn't have that many holiday cards or you had only a couple that were really special to you and wanted them as permanent decorations, you can always frame those and put them in storage and bring them out every single year. Thank you so very much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share, subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you guys next time.